Hey everyone, it's Cielo Cloud here, and I just wanted to share that I am so happy and grateful for the opportunity to be part of CWIN, which is the Christian Women's Entrepreneurs Network. I am so excited, mainly for several reasons. But I just wanted to share I had met Rebecca Garcia a couple years ago, and we actually met through networking. And, when we had a chance to meet and really get to know each other, I felt that we had a really great connection and we formed a friendship right away. And as I've been had the opportunity to get to know her over the years, I really am blessed to have the honor and privilege to work with her on this project. When we first met, she did share the vision that she had for CWIN. And, it's amazing to see that it is now coming into fruition. And, the actions are being taken now to really create this awesome group. And, part of the reason why I personally am excited about this group is because it is for Christian entrepreneurs, specifically women, a place where we don't have to separate God with business. To me, that is amazing to be able to work alongside and get to know and network with like minded people. I've been asking for something like this to come into my life for a few years now, and I'm so excited about it. And another reason that I'm really excited about CWIN is just the incredible advisory team that we have right now. It's a group of very passionate and talented women, and we're also creative, and we really want to create something that's going to be beneficial for the organization, and definitely with you in mind. People like yourself, like me, and this is what's so awesome about this group. It's going to be so much more than just networking. Together we're going to grow, we're going to learn, we're going to be able to encourage each other, we're going to be able to empower each other. So this is definitely the top 3 reasons why I believe CWIN is going to be a networking group like no other. And I definitely believe that once you come out and check us out, be part of the amazing events that we have planned, you will feel the same. The camaraderie, the relationships, the fellowship is definitely authentic. So I look forward to seeing you at our first mixer, which is April 1st at 9:30 at the Grove Church. And also just looking forward to meeting you, whether you come this first time or not. There's a group page that we're all interacting in. So if you want to just check us out there. We have a group page and we also have a Facebook page. We have an awesome planning meeting scheduled again, to follow through with all the action that we have planned. So that's it for now, guys. I wanted to just share, and I am so excited about what's taking place, and I'm so grateful for Rebecca Garcia. She is truly a woman of God and heart of gold, and I know you will agree with me once you come check us out. Take care. Bye-bye.